My Disney Stores and Friends Level 3, Unit 3, Lessons 3 and 4. Feelings, feelings. Love, love. Hate, hate. Love or hate. I love, I love. I hate, I hate. I love, I love. I hate, I hate. Let's practice. I love trees. I love trees. I love flowers. I love flowers. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. Shape. It's a circle. It's a circle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's a square. It's a square. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a heart. It's a heart. The sandwich is a triangle. The sandwich is a triangle. The flag is a triangle. The flag is a triangle. The tree is a triangle. The tree is a triangle. The present is a square. The present is a square. The table is a square. The table is a square. The clock is a square. The clock is a square. The ball is a circle. The ball is a circle. The sun is a circle. The sun is a circle. The orange is a circle. The orange is a circle. Great job! Goodbye!